Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
There should have been no load shedding. Load shedding was started deliberately by people who wanted to do business in their own way. And I got to know about it, and I stopped it. And I brought people who could act and stop it, and they stopped it. And I made a statement then that there will never be load shedding. And there was supposed to be no load shedding up to now. I've stopped that, and I've made a statement it will never be there. It was not going to be there. What they did, they chased the people who were doing this, removed them from those companies, actually wanted to arrest them.
Sanibona, yazi ngiqala le video ngokufaka le video kaMsholozi ngoba kunento esho uMsholozi la interesting kimi mayethi load shedding into yakhandwa ngamabomu deliberately ikhandwa abantu ngoba befuna ukwenza inzuzo ethize ngeEskom. Kahle kahle inhloso yevideo yanamuhla la sizokhuluma khona ngeEskom. iEskom izolo iqalele load shedding ku stage 6 ebusuku. Ngoba bathi kune power station yaseCamden kodwa ke kune statement abasibhalile kune video kaRamakgopa la khuluma khona ngizozidedela zonke lezi zinto kodwa ngiyafisa ukuqala ngale show Msholozi ngoba ithanda ukuba interesting kimi mayethi load shedding into ekhandwe ngamabomu ngoba izokwenza inzuzo kubantu abathize. Siyakhumbula eminyakeni edlule uMsholozi wakwa propose indaba yenuclear waphikiswa impela kuma political parties amaningi amphikisa. Ngikuyivideo engiyenzile ya last ngiye ngafaka lo information leyo la ngiquote khona iEFF ukuthi yazi yabhala impela ukuthi le ndaba zikaZuma zenuclear abazemukeli kodwa namhlanje uzwabona labo bantu bekhuluma ngayo inuclear asazi ke mhlambe they were misinformed nabo or someone nje waba misleader ngoba cathi language entshe ekhulunywa kulezi insuku ukuthi abantu bethi nje sasimisleadiwe. Angeke ngisho lutho ngalokho kodwa inhloso yami le video namuhla ukunazisa ukuthi iEskom ibuyile load shedding. Izolo bebe introduce stage 6 kodwa uzosichazela uminister into esizoyenza sizocaphuna ivideo not ivideo statement abasibhale kwiTwitter eyaziwa ngeX la ababhale khona besazisa ngale load shedding bese emveni kwalapho sidlala ivideo kaminister noma iaudio angazi ngisazobona ukuthi ngizofakani la akhuluma khona uRamakgopa ukuthi kwenzakalani bese sizoyithatha from lapho siye phambili kodwa kwamanje asibheke nasi statement. Istatement lesi iEskom isikhiphe ngomhla ka-23 February 2025 Sunday ngo-1:57 AM. Shothi 3 minutes before 2 eyintatha mabekhipha le statement. Sifundeka kanje. iEskom inazisa ukuthi istage 6 load shedding si-implementiwe izolo ngo1:30 ekseni ngenxa yokuthi ama-units amaningi eCamden Power Station atriphile and izoqhubeka load shedding till further notice. Bathi lokhu kulandelwe ukuthi ku-implementwe ustage 3 onesidingo ngenxa yokuthi ama-units amaningi eMajuba Power Station and namanye ama-unit eMedupi nawo agcine seluza 3864 megawatts la ekugeneratheni umlilo loyo. Ngalesikhathi kusaplani maintenance yona egcina ithatha 7506 megawatts. Phekwalokho kwaphela ke ama-emergency reserved. So ukuze kulungisela iviki leli seliqalile istage 6 load shedding besidingekile. Bathi ke imedia briefing bazoba nayo ngo11 iyo le ababe naye ngithi ke ngizocaphunela kuyo ukuthi utheni uRamakgopa mayikhuluma nabezindaba. Kodwa nje engikwazisa khona ukuthi load shedding ibuyile akwaziwe izophela nini njengoba kuthiwa till further notice. Hlala nje wazi ukuthi load shedding ibuyile. noma ngingasazi statement isikamsholozi ukuthi iqiniso kangakanani, kodwa eminyakeni ewu9 ephethe umsholozi azange usihluphe ugesi. So okwenza ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi kungenzeka ukuba i-load shedding ngempela yayikhandiwe, kodwa-ke ngeke ngisho lutho. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kakho comment section below, nakho kusengikhohlwa, ngicela usubscribe ku-channel, ulike ivideo, ushare, ucommente, join i-membership yale channel. Iqala ku-20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Kuno-join nje ngapha, ngicabanga usesandleni sakho sokudla khona ujoin, uklik ujoin lapho, ulandele bese uyajoin ube imember yale channel. Lokho-ke kuzoyisiza i-channel ngama-donation lawo ukuze i-channel isikwazi nathi ukukhava ezinye iy'ndleko. Ngicela-ke ukucaphuna uRamakgopa sizwe ukuthi yena utheni. Emveni kwalapho-ke mhlawumbe sobe sesiyayivala ivideo.
We have understood the root cause. We are taking the necessary actions. We are moving in the right direction. As I conclude, it is this segment of my contribution, is that at all material points, we will never make expedient decisions at the cost of the grid, because the consequences will be, the ramifications will be too ghastly to contemplate. And that's why it is important that to the degree that we need to initiate load shedding, understanding fully well that is going to deliver a message of an entity and a ministry that essentially is dropping the ball, but we are making the point that we will not make expedient decisions. We'll make decisions that are in the interest of the grid and in the long term in the interest of the South African economy. And I give you the assurance that that point I always make consistently. The end of load shedding is within touching distance. Like I said before, we'll be synchronizing Kusile unit number 6. We had anticipated it by end of Feb. They've revised it the 9th of March. We'll bring back Medupi unit number 4 again end of March, beginning of April, an additional 1,600 megawatts on top of what we have. Of course, the Medupi one is what we lost. We are recovering. The Kusile one really is new capacity. I'm confident that we are moving in the right direction. I want to say to the rest of the country, you are going through pain. We understand your anger. We feel your pain. We can hear your cries. We will resolve this problem. Like I said before, we are confident about that situation.
Sekukuningi kakhulu baba Ramakgopa akushilo la, kodwa ngizozama ukusho lokho okubalekile. Uthi sebeyi-understandile imbangela, umnyombo walenkinga. Manje uyabona ngendlela benza ngayo, they are moving in the right direction. Usho ukuthi izogcina kulungisekile, noma ke bengenalwazi ukuthi izophela nini i-load shedding, kodwa bazokwenza sure ukuthi yona iyaphela. Futhi akushoyo uthi ngeke bayithathe i-risk ngama-grid, ukuthi ngeke athathe i-risk kunokuthi athathe i-risk konakala ama-grid amanye ngamane kwenzeka lento enze ukuthi kufakwe i-load shedding kube kulungiswa, enzela ukuthi kungonakala okukhona ngenxa yokuthi uzama ufaka abantu, uzama ukuthi abantu babe nomlilo. Kungcono kube ne-load shedding while kusalungiswa inkinga. Futhi uthi uyasiqonda isimo sonke nasithembiso sakhe asenzile ebantwini ukuthi i-load shedding izophela, usami kuso ukuthi izophela i-load shedding. Uyachaza ukuthi kunamanye i-grid abazoyi-eda njengoba echaza eMedupi nasekusile. Uyachaza ukuthi izinto lezi abazozenza, kodwa kwamanje abantu ababekezele, uyabuza ubuhlungu babo, uyabubona futhi hayi ukuthi akaboni. Uyabaza ubunzima bokungabi nagesi nalento impact nje yalena ucimicimi lo we-load shedding uyawubona. Kodwa nje uyethembisa ukuthi lesethembiso asenze ukuthi i-load shedding izophela akakaguquki kuso, usami kuso kusenjalo, izophela i-load shedding. Ilokho kakushilo uRamakgopa la njengoba bekasichazela mayelana nendaba yogesi, kodwa into ayishoyo, they are moving in the right direction. Uthe futhi kwenye ivideo noma ngeke ngiyicaphunela wathi yebo ba-implemente manje stage 3, kodwa mhlambe kungaba stage 4. Akafuni ukuthembisa abantu base South Africa ukuthi athi ugesi lo uzoba i-stage 2 noma i-stage 3 ngoba kuzodependa ngegrid ukuthi yenze njani njengoba bezama ukuyilungisa. Futhi into ayishoyo ukuthi lesinqumo abasithatha manje babuke in the long run, ababukanga nje manje. Yingakho bethatha isinqumo sokuthi kunokuthi konakale igrid, konakale umonakalo ube mkhulu, kungcono bavikele lokho okusekhona okuphephile bese kuthi-ke kulungiswe lokho okulungisekayo ukuze kuthi makufika-ke isikhathi sokuthi le nkinga iyalungiseka, ilungiseke kwaze ukuthi kuseyivekile ngoba angeke kusize ukuthi bathathe i-risk ngegrid. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi yona nto le ebengithi ibalulekile ayishilo ukuthi is necessary ukuthi kufakwe i-load shedding. Into ebuhlungu ngale nto le ayinasikhathi, njengoba kuthiwa till further notice nje, ngempela kuthiwa till further notice. Sowuzwa ngabo mzukwane bethi phelile. Siyakhumbula ukuthi emavikini adlule sabika ukuthi i-load shedding bathi buyile, wahamba vele ugesi sonke sakubona, kodwa wabuye futhi yena waveza imessage, wabhala imessage engayifaka kwi-community la ichaza khona ukuthi hayi i-load shedding seyivaliwe ayisezukubabikho, sayi-experience nje usuku olulodwa. Ngakho indoda yena ethi mayithembisile idelive ezethembiseni zayo, ngiyamthemba kancane ngoba ngakubona lokho kwenzeka. Ilokhu-ke bengithi angikulethele khona ukuthi i-load shedding ibuyile till further notice. Asazi-ke ukuthi isixazululo sakhona sizothini, kodwa soloku sibeka indlebe sizwe ukuthi bathini. Kukhona kwenye ivideo futhi la khuluma khona ngemali abazidingayo, amabhiliyoni wangempela abawadingayo, kodwa-ke angizukukhuluma ngakho la. Okwamanje nje bengithi angithule lokhu ngoba angifuni ukwenza ivideo ezoba yinde kakhulu, kodwa nginakho ngikuzwile ukuthi kuyinto ebalulekile ngoba bathe bazokhuluma no-Minister we-Finance ngoba kunemali abayidinga kubo ukuze bekwazi ukuthi balungise le nkinga le ingabi sasehlela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi lokho ebengithi fanele ngikulethe ngikwenzile ukuthi nje ngikwazise ukuthi nansi inkinga esinayo, i-load shedding ibuyile. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngiyathanda nje ukuthi sixoxe noma singekho into esingayenza, kodwa ukuxoxa nje ngiyakujabulela. Futhi okunye engikucelayo asingathukani. Ngiyayithanda indlela esixoxa ngayo, inenhlonipho. Kuvumelekile ukuthi imibono yethu iphambane kodwa singethukani. Uma ubona ukuthi share information okungeyona kulungile, sicorrect usiphe information right. Ungaqhamuka uphike nje kodwa mase sithi chaza phela kabanzi uhluleke. Ungathi ngoba into wena kawuyazi bese uthi ayikho. Yingakho sifaka ubufakazi la, sifake i-statement ongaya ku-X usithole, safaka i-video ye-press conference le bethe bazoba nayo, noma singayifanga kodwa into ebalulekile nje ukuthi ila uminister bekasethembisa khona ukuthi le nkinga izogcina ilungisekile noma kungaziwa ukuthi izothatha isikhathi esingakanani. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.